Hi, good day everyone. I'm Hui. In this video, I'll be showing you this Malaysia 1986 6 Series 1000 ringgit notes. However, to do this video, I'm required to do it at their place, so you might notice the way I do my video is a bit different than usual. So, hope you understand. So before I take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. So for this 6 series 1000 ringgit notes is issued around 1986 to 1995, and the Bank Negara Governor at the time is Tan Sri Datuk Jaafar bin Hussein, and the signature on this banknotes should look like this, and the size is 160 mm times 84 mm, and the printer for these notes is Thomas DeLero, and only prefix ZY exists. There is no other prefix, and there's a replacement prefix ZZ. Now, I'll leave the book like this in case you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. Now, if you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Now let's take a closer look at the notes. This is how the front of the 1000 ringgit notes look like. Please be aware that there are those fake ones out there. There shouldn't be there should be those. If you make sure you use UV light to check whether there's UV security feature, and there's a argon watermark here. This is how behind the 1000 ringgit notes look like, and make sure you have the word of the printer here, Thomas DeLero. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.